Guys, is it actually possible to make $100 a day working right from home? I say yes, it's possible. With InboxPay, it is definitely possible. You get that? It is definitely possible to make $100 a day. Now, I am going to actually take you through what InboxPay is all about, and I want you to watch this video to the very end, else you are going to lose a lot of value. There are certain strategies, that I will be showing you, certain tricks that you can use to make this $100 a day, very fast. So if you just skip and go start searching for InboxPay, you miss a lot and you wouldn't make the money that you are supposed to make. Now, make sure you like this video, comment on it, and share it with your friends and comrades. Also, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. This will mean that anytime we upload a new video, you will be among the first people to know about it, and you'll be among the first people to take action and make some money. Definitely this channel is dedicated to how to make money online, working right from the comfort of your home or anywhere at all. How you can make money and have time for the things you love, and also how to drive traffic to your website or affiliate link. Now, I'm going to leave a link below. I'm going to leave the link below, so don't worry yourself about going to search, and you might miss a lot. So I'll leave the link below. Just click on it, and then it will take you to this website where you can get so much more. And don't worry about the payment. You are paid through one of the most trusted online payment system, and that is PayPal. That is PayPal. So you will get your money through PayPal, so you don't need to worry so much about it. So without much ado, let's get started talking about InboxPay. Sorry. So now this is the landing page of InboxPay. So definitely it's a website that pays so much, and what are you going to see is a very simple form. There is a very simple form for you to register. I mean, you register and then you earn $5. So it's just really very simple website. And how does it actually work? What are you going to do? So definitely once you register, InboxPay will pay you $5 just for signing up to this website. Just for signing up, you are paid $5 free of charge, and then you are going to be given a number of offers. You will actually choose a number of offers. You'll be given to read emails, play games, and also do surveys, online surveys, and that. Then you can redeem your cash, receive your funds very quickly through PayPal. So that is that. And now, so there are also a few other things that you can do. You see, you can pay to click on ads, emails, and that. And then there are also a lot of cash offers that are available for you. A lot of cash offers are available for you. You can spin a wheel to win, refer friends, and also there are coupons for you that you can use for cheap discount shopping. You can use that for discount shopping. So InboxPay, certainly you can make a lot of money from this website. You can make a lot of money, very good money, from this website. So I want you to take action. When we get to the bottom of the end of this video, you will actually see what you can do to make money from this website. So when you log in to the system, to the website, this is actually what you are going to see. See, after you have signed up, you need to confirm your email and that, and then you will be taken to this page. This is actually the home page, and you see there are a number of jobs or offers available, that you can actually do to make money. So you can see from $0.45, $10. Look at this pre-credit score in seconds. So you can do this activity, and then $10 is yours. And let me say that the minimum you can earn to withdraw is actually $50. And this is something that you can make within a short period from InboxPay. Now let's look at this. You see, I'm interested in those with the biggest pay, and it doesn't mean that it takes a lot to actually do. So you see this, you can earn $15, $2 here, $1. So let's scroll down. So look at this, just look at this. You see, some of them are trials. So this osteoarthritis clinical trial, so this I believe is a health, but here osteoarthritis, so that's basically talking about bones. And yeah, so there is something for you to test, and that is $7.5. Look at this one, Bitcoin. Okay, I think this, so you can make some good pretty money from this. So you see this, you can make $27 from here. And so let's look at some of these things. I always come here, work from home. So if you check from work from home, the offers, there are pretty decent offers here to be done. You see, look at this one, to $27, $30. So you can actually check. Let's look at the coupon. So there is good value here. You can make very good money. So you see a few coupons. So if you shop from any of these areas, you can go just print out the coupon, go and claim or have a discount shopping. So that is that. You can play games, guys, and certainly win an offer. Now realize that some of these offers might not be available in your geographical area, so that does not mean that you can't make money from this website. You can make money, just that certain offers might not be available in your country. So let's look at this. And guys, also realize that you can refer your friends and make money as well. So it's a cool deal. It's a cool deal, guys. So if this video made brought so much value to you, I want you to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Also make sure you hit the notification bell. You can share it. I'm so grateful that we have met once again, and I want you to take action. Click on the link below so that you can make your first $100 within the next 30 minutes. 30 to 60 minutes, you can make your first $100 or even less. So guys, take action, and I'm so happy. Check a few days from now, they will be uploading another value packed video. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm out for now.